Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are wanting to get all of your vegetables that are spring crops planted right now and your weather just isn't cooperating like ours is at the moment, don't stress out about it. It will be okay. It will be a little bit later to harvest than what you think or what you're used to, but it's all going to work out in the end. We wanted to get our potatoes in and planted, but we just received several days of really heavy rain. Just in the last 16 hours, we had over 2.5 inches. Our garden is completely saturated. And if you go to plant potatoes when your ground is really wet, or you know that you're gonna have heavy rains coming in, there's a chance those potatoes can rot in the ground. So it's always best just to wait until that passes. And then, your harvesting will just be maybe a week or two later than what you're used to. So let me show you what I mean. This is my yard right beside my garden, and you can see all of the standing water in my yard. And if I just put my boot in, you don't want potatoes. You don't want to plant potatoes in this. If you are experiencing this type of weather where you're at and you already have, say, your potatoes in the ground, I have done this before where we have taken tarps and tarped over the area that we have planted just to keep some of that rainwater off of the plants. Now, whether that helped or not, I don't know, but we didn't have any losses of harvest that year. So, maybe it did work, or maybe it's just my subconscious thinking that it did. So it's okay to just wait for a couple extra days before you plant. That way it ensures that you don't have to rebuy potato seed or any seeds that may have washed away because of the extensive amount of rain. So you guys just hang in there, and it'll be planting season here soon, I promise. Bye.